The next miracle superfood revealed, 10 shocking benefits of okra. In this video I'm going to show you the 10 amazing benefits of okra and why it's the next miracle superfood. Hi, my name is Diet Guru. You know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Well, for some people that may be true, but for me it has never been truer than with okra. This veggie is packed with a punch in more ways than one might think. So let me show you just how much it has. Number 1. Okra controls your cholesterol levels. You will be surprised to hear that the humble okra has health benefits. Okra and is very high in soluble fiber. Soluble fibers react with bile salt, which is produced by your liver from cholesterol, which we all know can help lower our cholesterol levels. Number 2. Okra eliminates toxins from your body. Toxins in the body can lead to health problems and weight gain. Okra contains health benefits. Okra, which is a very important antioxidant in the body that helps detoxify it by purifying your colon, bladder, kidneys, and blood. Number 3. Okra is anti-diabetic. A Harvard Health publication states that okra is an excellent source of soluble fiber which slows down the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream. This can help regulate your blood sugar levels and reduce damage to your body even more than taking insulin itself. Number 4. Ensures good digestion. Okra is a health benefit high in fiber, which helps people with digestive issues like constipation. It also aids in preventing diarrhea and other stomach problems. In fact, okra actually has 3 times more fiber than spinach. Number 5. Rich in folate. If you're planning to get pregnant, make sure you have a good serving of this vegetable because it contains a good dose of folate, which is essential to prevent birth defects in your baby. Number 6. Reduces the risk of certain cancers. Studies show that okra has cancer protective properties because it contains a compound called nasunin, which inhibits free radicals from contributing to inflammation and DNA damage in our bodies. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory health benefits of okra. Okra is rich in a flavonoid called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation and pain due to muscle aches and arthritis. Number 8. Great for eye health. Health. The world is beautiful, and thanks to our eyes and the benefits of okra on them. Because okra is rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein, which promote eye health. It's also great for preventing macular degeneration, which can otherwise lead to blindness. Number 9. Mineral bank. Okra contains a good amount of manganese, which is known to protect against dysfunctions in cells that can cause diabetes and osteoporosis. It also contains iron for anemia prevention. Number 10. Antioxidant rich. Antioxidative food is quite the rage these days. They are very good at preventing cellular damage from free radicals. Okra is no exception. It contains vitamin C and folate to keep your cells healthy. Folate is also known as vitamin B9 and it's a necessary nutrient which the body can't store. It's found in many foods like broccoli, lettuce, asparagus, citrus fruits, and okra. Thank you for watching.